Hello there! If you're someone who struggles with the gardening grind, we've put together a list of some really cool and efficient gardening tools that'll make your job a whole lot easier. So, let's dive right in and check out what we've got for you. If you're looking to freshen up your garden without the back-breaking work, the GreenWorks 40-volt 10-inch cordless cultivator might be your new favorite tool. It's super easy to use. Just charge the battery, press the button, and you're good to go. With 4 sturdy 8-inch steel tines, it tills up to 10 inches wide and 5 inches deep, which is perfect for prepping soil in your flower beds or veggie garden. You can even adjust the tilling width depending on the space you're working with. The rear wheels make it easy to move around, and since it runs on a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, there's no messing around with gas or oil. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime, and the best part? That same battery works with over 75 other GreenWorks tools. So it's not just a cultivator, it's a smart addition to your whole yard setup. Tired of crouching down to scrape weeds from between your patio stones? Say hello to this new gardening toy, the GLORIA WeedBrush. And believe us, this is the tool you might be thinking of. It's an electric joint brush is designed to make weed and moss removal from joints effortless and ergonomic. Powered by a 230-volt, 300-watt motor spinning at 1800 RPM, it comes equipped with a brass-coated steel wire brush that can last up to 3 hours on concrete surfaces. For more delicate areas, there's an optional nylon brush available that's gentler on scratch-sensitive stone. The weed brush features a guide wheel and sightline for precise control, an all-around splash guard to keep debris contained, and an adjustable, ergonomic two-handed handle to ensure a comfortable, back-friendly working posture. Weighing just 2.4 kilograms and measuring 118 centimeters in length, it's a lightweight yet powerful tool for keeping your garden paths and patios weed-free. We know digging holes has always been a headache for gardeners, but this tool is here to change the scene. This is RotoShovel. A 22-inch handheld electric shovel combines a powerful auger and scoop into one compact tool, making it perfect for planting flowers, installing fence posts, or tackling small landscaping projects. Powered by a 12-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers 2 to 3 hours of continuous use. And its automatic safety shutoff feature ensures the motor stops if it hits a rock or root, protecting both you and the tool. Built with durable aluminum and steel, the RotoShovel is designed for ease and efficiency, turning digging tasks into quick and effortless jobs. Get ready to ditch the gas and make lawn care a whole lot easier, because today we have the RYOBI 40-volt HP brushless 21-inch self-propelled mower with us. It's got the muscle of a 170cc gas engine, but without the noise, fumes, or pull cords. Perfect for lawns up to 3/4 of an acre, it uses 2 40-volt 6-amp-hour batteries to give you up to 75 minutes of runtime. The mower features a cross-cut multi-blade system that gives your lawn a clean, professional-looking cut, whether you're mulching, bagging, or side discharging. The self-propelled function match your walking speed, so you're not being dragged or left behind. You've also got a super handy cut command connector on board, where you can check your battery life, blade condition, and even switch into turbo mode or adjust your self-propel speed. You've got a big yard cleanup to do? This Husqvarna 590 BTS backpack blower is built to handle it like a champ. This gas-powered beast pushes out a massive 1,245 cubic feet of air per minute at speeds up to 216 miles per hour. That means you can clear big areas fast without needing to go over the same spot twice. It runs on a 79.4 cc X-Torque engine, which doesn't just bring the power, it also cuts fuel use by about 20% and drops emissions by up to 60% compared to standard 2-stroke engines. Weighing in at around 26 pounds, it's designed like a backpack so it distributes the weight evenly and stays comfy, even during long jobs. You've got a tube-mounted throttle for easy control, variable speed settings, cruise control for steady airflow, and a big 91 fluid-ounce fuel tank so you won't need to stop and refuel constantly. Ever wish you had a quick, easy way to trim branches and clean up your garden without dragging out a big chainsaw? The STIHL GTA26 might be exactly what you're looking for. This little powerhouse is a cordless garden pruner with a 4-inch guide bar that makes it perfect for trimming small limbs, shaping shrubs, and even cutting up yard waste. It's super lightweight, just about 2.5 pounds without the battery, so it's easy on your arms and great for longer jobs. Powered by a 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery, you get up to 25 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for most backyard tasks. It cuts fast too, with a chain speed of over 26 feet per second. Plus, changing the chain is tool-free and super simple. With a comfy rubber grip, built-in safety features like a retractable chain guard and an LED charge level indicator, it's designed with convenience and safety in mind. Looking for a hassle-free way to water your garden, patio, or courtyard? The Fiskars Manuelles Waterwheel XL might be just what you need. This all-in-one set comes complete with a mobile hose reel, a 20-meter garden hose, a 7-meter inlet hose, a universal tap connector, and a spray nozzle, everything you need to get started. The reel features 3 hose connections compatible with 13 to 15 millimeter hoses, ensuring versatility for various watering needs. Designed for easy mobility, it boasts a telescopic handle and wheels with a profile, making transportation a breeze. Its horizontal design allows for a wide, stable watering area, and the ability to rotate the drum 360 degrees ensures efficient coverage. Whether you're tending to your garden or patio, this set provides a convenient and efficient solution for all your watering tasks. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.